Hello everyone, this is Ozzy here again on the Opulent Life. Welcome back again. I have another perfume here for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing it. I've already taken it out of the box. Like I mentioned before, I am no longer keeping the boxes inside the house because of COVID-19. I'm sterilizing the inner packaging and throwing the outer packagings away. So this is not going to be a cardboard unboxing. Before we continue, just want to do a quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my Longines hydroconquest. Loving it. Great watch for the weekend. If you guys want to see a review on this beautiful watch, do check out one of my earlier videos and you will find the full review there. I will be doing a quick comparison of this and my Omega C Master, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's move on to the perfume we have. Today we have in front of you the Givenchy Gentleman Only perfume. It is not a new perfume. It was launched in 2013, made in France, and I just want to do a quick review of this. I'll describe the packaging first. It comes in this gray rectangular box and has the title name on top of it, very plain letters. It has the logo in front of it as well for Givenchy, and it is an eaudetoilette. It is a 100 milliliter bottle, approximately 3.3 fluid ounce in US units. Just coming to the packaging, very austere looking gray box in front of you. It's nothing flashy, nothing stands out. In the back it has the description and some of the ingredients as well. So nothing flashy, nothing particular. Has the badge code and all those technical details at the bottom. It's recyclable obviously. So let's open it up, see what's inside. Just open it up like any other perfume box. And you have this in front of you. It's a very sober looking bottle, again very austere, very simple but elegant nevertheless. Has a lavendery color liquid inside it, which is I think it might be a moderate strength perfume, but let's see how it actually smells. So that's the perfume bottle, front and back, no labeling. On the bottom you're gonna see it's made in France. It gives you the batch code, and I'll teach you how to use the batch code to find out when the perfume was actually manufactured. Remember, perfumes that are manufactured 5 years prior have lost their shelf life, so make sure about that when you're buying perfumes from online sources like Amazon, FragranceNet, Joma Shop, any other place. These are gray market perfumes, so you have to be careful about that. You cannot return them, so make sure it's the right batch code. So, and also try them out in some other department store to make sure you like the smell, because once you get it, you have it. You can't return it. So be careful on that. Okay, let's open it up. Bottle cap simply comes off. It's not magnetic or anything. It is kind of has a bit of a weight to it. It is metal. I don't know if it's titanium or if it's just, regular mixed metal, but that's what it is. So let's try it out. So right off the bat, very ordinary, nothing special. It's a very typical woody men's perfume, or slash a cologne actually. And like I said, it was made in 2013, and Givenchy, they are very conservative with their perfumes from what I have seen. They do not like to change the contents or style of their things very frequently. Their fashion house is the opposite of their perfume house, I believe. And so now smelling it again, now that I've had it on for a few seconds, it's very woody, got your traditional aromatic, citrusy notes, and it's a bit of spicy touch to it as well. It's got some green mandarin, pink pepper, nutmeg, birch leaves in it. And it's quite deep and intense at first, but I'm assuming with time it's gonna, fade out a little bit more. So it's not like anything unique, but definitely a good fragrance to have just for, like going to the office on occasions where you don't want to really stand out too much. That type of perfume. Great for evening wear too, great for day wear. Kind of an all-rounder if you ask me. And yeah, one of those perfumes that you just want on, kind of can blend in anywhere you're going. It's another thing you guys should know. The face of this perfume is actually Australian actor Simon Baker, who is also an ambassador for Longines. which is kind of a coincidence. I didn't realize that until I actually bought this. It is so now I'm smelling it again. Now later in after application, it still smells pretty woody, and it's still pretty strong. So that's a good sign, which means it'll hold up even in summer when there's a lot of evaporation. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign of quality. And I'll give you guys a long-term review of some of the perfumes I have later. But for now, this is Givenchy Gentleman Only perfume, and I bought this from Amazon for $48.99. That was at the time of purchase. Now prices are, very variable on Amazon. They may go up and down depending on their stock levels. So keep checking. I would definitely not buy this at retail. Definitely something you bought on discount, in my opinion, because it's not special enough to be spent for you to be spending $100 plus on it, to be honest. But yeah, this is a good perfume. I would recommend this size. Larger than this, you run the risk of getting tired of it. Smaller than this, you might be like, oh, that's not enough for me. I spray heavy, so it's useful for me to keep a 3.3 fluid ounce perfume. Anyways, guys, that was the review of the Givenchy Gentleman Only. Stay tuned for more reviews. Take care. Bye-bye.